x minus 1 is a polynomial. So here x, if we put 1 here, so this polynomial gets 0. So that x equal to 1 is called zeros of the polynomial. Let us take this one, x square minus 4. So here if we put x equal to 2, so this becomes 0 if we put x equal to 2 here. So that means x equal to 2 is called zeros of this polynomial. Let us take in this polynomial x square plus 2x minus 3. If we put 1 here, this polynomial, what will happen? 1 plus 2, 3. So this becomes 0. So x equal to 1 if we put, so that means what value of x, that function, okay, in terms of x, this function becomes 0. That is called 0 of the polynomial. Okay, this has a other meaning in case x equal to 1. So these will look like this. This is a straight line. This is a straight line will look like this. So you see here, x equal to 1, you will get a 0 value of y. Okay, so in a xy, this is y. This is y. If we plot in a xy plot, this is y. So for what value of x, y becomes 0. That is the called zeros of the polynomial. So okay, extending to zeros of the polynomial for quadratic equation. So in your quadratic chapter it will be discussed. So there, this last one, this is the one will be discussed in a more detail. So if quadratic equation also a polynomial, so that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, this equation, okay, this curve actually a parabola, so that curve will be where, here, here, or here. It is decided by a, b and c. So this point is called alpha and beta, where this is also called zeros, correct? So these zeros, these are called alpha beta for quadratic equation. This is called root also, this is 0 also, same. So this alpha and beta for quadratic equation relation will be minus b by a, and there one more relation is there between alpha beta is equal to c by a. So these two relations are very important. And then what will happen if you observe it now carefully? So then, so the alpha beta is called 0 or root. Remember, 0 or root. Okay, 0 or root. So in, so this, for this is alpha, this is beta, two solution for quadratic equation. And so that means from, if this is given, alpha beta is given, so from there also we can get the equation back. So that is also one more question with that. So how the equation will be look like? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the equation. So basically if you put alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and c, and this alpha beta is c by a, put it, you will get back. So basically if this alpha beta means root is given or zeros are given, where zeros means where this curve cuts the x-axis, okay, so that is called the root or zeros in a geometrical sense. So then this is the way you can get the equation back. So basically you see that this a, b and c, these three constant, is related where the root will be, because alpha beta ABC changes means this curve will move here, so that means alpha beta position is changing. Okay, that's the meaning. So, and they have a close, they have direct relation between, depending upon ABC, this alpha and beta is decided. That is why they have a direct relation, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta equal to c by a. These are zeros of the polynomial. Let's remember that root or zeros of the polynomial is same.